Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. Also you should make sure to go down in the description and sign up for Blofin. They're offering some big sign up and competition bonuses in the description below, so go get involved with that. And also finally, if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns completely passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below via the description as well. And you can get involved in the crypto bots and the trading bots that I've been sorting out for the past few years. It's been really a big revelation for me being able to average into the crypto markets over the past few years during the bear market, and obviously Bitcoin recently has been having a really big move to the upside, which has been very nice indeed. Obviously taking a look at Bitcoin then on our daily time frame, you can see quite a lot of chop over the past few weeks in this local area here. You can see potentially forming a little bit of a coiling motion of some variety. We are reaching definitely an apex of a move in either direction, most likely, as you can see right now, looking like obviously we had the deviation of this low of this range. We're definitely coming down in this bull flag kind of formation here, as you can see, currently sitting in and around halfway down this parallel channel that we're in, slowly moving to the downside. Big liquidity sweep down to the 0.78 Fibonacci down here at around 50k, and then obviously the big wick back up, coming back inside the range here. You can see support, big deviation here, coming back inside for support. Really, I could only see this heading to the upside in terms of probabilities. We're getting very likely, in my opinion, of a move back up above these moving averages after this long consolidation up to test this high again, after we previously didn't test the high back here. So very interesting to see what will happen next with Bitcoin. I do think we are going to see some good progress over the next few months. Right now we're just chilling and waiting for it to make its move in the markets. But as we can see, really not that much going on today. Just very much just chopping sideways and waiting for a bit of a more volume and a move in the markets. I do think we are going to see it pretty soon, in my opinion, after this big liquidity grab below the range. It seems much more likely now that we've seen a huge amount of people being liquidated out of this area here, that we'll probably see a bit more upside, in my opinion. We could see another retest of the low before a bounce, but overall I would say the probabilities of heading up here are pretty high.